D is for dog. D, dog. E is for elephant. Y is E, elephant. F is for fish, or F, fish. G is for grapes. G, grapes. H is for house. Whoa, H, house. I is for ice cream. Wall, I, ice cream. J is for jug. J, jug. K is for kite. Pause for K, kite. L is for lion. L, lion. M is for mango. M. N is for nest. N, nest. O is for orange. O, orange. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Can you find the letter A? Let's say all the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Great job, kids! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.